When you think of NASA, you might think of the future of space exploration, but today NASA is celebrating the planet under our feet and in our hearts, of course, talking about Earth.
That's right. Here to celebrate Earth Day with us is NASA scientist Dr. Matt Rodell. Good morning, Dr. Rodell.
Good morning.
Let's talk about NASA's connection to Earth Day.
Sounds great. Well, I can tell you that when people think of NASA, they probably think of looking out at other planets and looking out into space. But one of the important objectives of NASA is to look back down at Earth from the unique vantage point of space. So NASA currently has about 20 satellites orbiting Earth, looking down, making various measurements. And if you can imagine, going back into the 50s or earlier, imagine trying to make a weather forecast without knowing where the weather patterns, where the storms were moving, where they were currently, or fast forward to the present. If you're interested in growing crops or you want to know something about drought, you imagine if you wanted to measure the water in the soil everywhere on Earth all the time. It would be impossible. You couldn't put a probe everywhere on Earth and make measurements. But what we can do from space is make measurements that aren't restricted by political boundaries or don't require labor to set up the instruments. And every 3 days we can make a map of the water in Earth's soil, which is valuable for agriculture and drought monitoring and many things. That's just one example.
Yeah, and today is the 52nd Earth Day that we're celebrating. What has NASA observed over the last 5 decades?
Well, let me give you one example. So the Landsat 9 satellite launched in September. Landsat is an amazing series of satellites that has been making observations, imagery of Earth's surface back since 1972, so just about 50 years. And one of the things you can do is go into Google's Time Machine, and it'll make an automated animation of this imagery from Landsat. And so you can see things like how Las Vegas has grown and how agriculture has expanded in some regions. You can even zoom in on your home location and see how your neighborhood has been changing.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's fascinating.
Yeah, for
yes.
sure. I'm going to do that, actually.
I know. I want to know more, yeah. We do know that NASA has a number of Earth science missions this year. For you, Doctor, is there one you're excited about?
Well, they're all exciting. The new polar orbiting meteorological satellite is going to be great for us. But one I'm going to focus on is called SWOT. And what it does is make measurements of surface water elevation and slope. And what we can do with that is make estimates of the amount of water flowing through rivers around the world. River water, of course, is a critical resource. And in many places, we don't have measurements of the river water flowing. For example, the Nile is one of the most important rivers in Africa. We don't have measurements from the Nile since back until 1983 because Egypt doesn't want to share those data. But using NASA satellites, we'll be able to, or the SWOT mission in particular, we'll be able to measure river flows around the world all the time going forward. So it's going to be a really exciting mission for us.
Yeah, certainly. I love that we're talking about water a lot. We are the blue planet, a lot of water on this planet. Yeah. Very important to our civilization here. Where can people learn more about NASA's Earth Day activities? Where can we go, Dr. Rodell?
Well, if you go to www.nasa.gov/Earth Day, you'll find all sorts of educational materials and other cool stuff if you want to learn more.
Yeah, that's
perfect.
Great.
Well, happy Earth Day. Thank you for keeping watch over us.
Thank you.
Yes, absolutely.